Well, welcome back. This is the Gadget Show. And now it's time for a bout of unboxing, this time with Miss Georgie Barrett, who I turn to in time-honoured fashion and say, what's in the box?
What box?
That box.
What, this box?
Yes, that box.
I don't know, haven't opened it yet.
Oh, come on, Georgie.
OK, so what I can tell you, though, is what's in here will revolutionise transport. It's literally going to be reinventing the wheel.
Oh, splendid. I shall pay particular attention in case I need to update my book on the future of the
John,
It's called,
John. Carry on, please, Georgie.
OK, so this is the Swytch, and it turns any bike into an electric bike.
What, so I can turn my old chopper into an electric bike?
Yes. Any old bike, any fancy bike, any favourite bike. So how it works is that you need to send off the dimensions of your front wheel, and they then give you a replacement. And very importantly, this replacement has in it a motor. So there's your wheel there.
There's the hub.
And then also in the box, you get a battery and a controller and a pedal sensor, and that works out how much oomph you need as you're going along.
OK, so how much is this?
So it's from £500.
OK, it's expensive, but, like, electric bikes are expensive.
Yeah, they are. They are. What about the details, the charging time and the range?
It takes 3 hours to charge, and you get around 20 miles off that.
I mean, the obvious advantage to this kit is you can upgrade the bike of your choice rather than be limited to what's out there. How much weight does it add?
So all this kit is about 3 kilograms, so not too bad, not too bad. Now, it does take about 30 minutes to set up, which obviously I don't quite have time for right now, but in true telly tradition, I've already set one up. So this is my old bike that's now been electrified. So as you can see, we've got the battery pack where you've also got the controllers at the front. You've also got the motorised wheel down here, and this here is the pedal sensor.
Georgie, we're the Gadget Show. We test things.
Yes.
Shall we test it?
Yes, I've actually already set a second bike up for you.
OK, come
Sit
on.
your bike.
Just 2 bikes?
Oh, wow, what a joy it is to be out of the studio.
I'm so impressed with it.
I'm on level 2 at the moment. There's 5 modes altogether, and I'm giving it barely any pedal,
effort.
and
I know.
we're absolutely zooming along.
So, John, what is the difference between the electrification and hydrogenation?
Yeah, I mean, what's the difference between hydrogen cars and battery-powered electric cars?
That's it, yeah.
I go into it in great detail in my book.
OK, so as we're coming up to a bit of a hill, just take it up a notch.
She's gone to level 3. It's really kicking in.
I know.
Now, as you can see from this handy chart here,
right.
it tells you where that sort of 1 unit of renewable electricity goes, where the efficiencies are lost in the system.
What you notice is that when you're on the hill,
Yeah.
I mean, you're really not doing a lot, are you?
No. Well, the thing about it is, you know, you can turn it off when you're on the flats or going downhill and turn it back on when you're going uphill and need the assistance.
Exactly.
So it makes the battery last a lot longer that way.
The overall efficiency of the hydrogen car is 23%, whereas with the battery electric car, the overall efficiency is 69%.
Perfect for if you don't want to get sweaty when you're commuting, if you live maybe at the top of a really tall hill.
They've been gone a while, haven't they, John?
Yes.
Whee! Whee!
So, how was it?
Really good.
Yeah?
Really good.
The Swytch was brilliant. I couldn't recommend it enough. It's certainly got some oomph, hasn't it?
Yeah, if you're on level 5 and you're going up the hill, you barely notice it. Look, I haven't broken a sweat.
What did you do?
Oh, we discussed some diagrams relating to power chain efficiency, all from John's book, you know, yeah?
Yes, yes. It was
I warned you.